Good morning everyone. Today we are going to start new chapter of our book Percentage. In this chapter we are going to study about introduction to percentage, conversion of fraction into a percentage, conversion of decimal into a percentage, conversion of ratio into a percentage, conversion of percentage into fraction, decimal and ratio, to find the whole when percentage of one part is given, to find the quantity of a given percentage and comparison using percentage. Now let's start with introduction to percentage. You might have seen this on many shops during festive season, which indicates 50% off, that is, the price of that item is half. You might have also seen this, which indicates battery life remains. And during election, it is helpful to indicate vote count of each party. In finance and industries, percentage computation are commonly used to calculate interest rates, cost, prices, profits and losses, etc. and compare them over a year is to decide their future operation. So what this word percentage means? The percentage is derived from a Latin word which is per centum, which means per hundred. So to find a percentage of a given number or quality, it is divided by 100. Percentage is denoted by a symbol read as percentage. The symbol stands for 100, or you can say 1 upon 100. Let's understand this percentage by an example. There were two friends, Rehan and Mrigan. Rehan scored 98 out of 100, whereas Mrigan scored 24 out of 25. In their maths test, can you tell who scored better? So to find this, we have to find percentage of their marks. So to find percentage, we'll divide marks obtained by the total marks and then we'll multiply the result by 100. So the marks obtained by Rehan is 98 out of 100, and now simply just multiply this number by 100. We'll cut 100 and 100 and we'll get 98 percentage. So Rehan scored 98 percentage. Similarly, we'll find the percentage of Mrigan. So we'll get 24 upon 25 multiplied by 100. So when you'll reduce it, you'll get 25 1 ja 25, 25 4 ja 100. And when you'll multiply 24 and 4, you will get 96 percentage. So you can say that Rehan scored better. Now the next topic for today's video is conversion of a fraction into a percentage. All fractions can be converted into a percentage. We can do this either by writing the fraction as a fraction with denominator 100, or you can say by multiplying with 100 percentage. Let's understand this by an example. You have to convert 1 whole 1 by 4 into percentage. So firstly we'll solve with first method, that is with the denominator 100. For this you have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So when you'll convert 1 whole 1 by 4, you will get 5 by 4. Now simply make denominator 100. So when you'll multiply this denominator by 25, you will get denominator 100. So as you multiply this denominator by 25, so you have to multiply this numerator also with 25. You will get 125 upon 100. So you will get 125%. Now the second method is by multiplying by 100 percentage. For this you have to convert this 1 whole 1 by 4 into improper fraction. So you'll get 5 by 4. Now simply multiply this by 100 percentage. So you will get 4 1 ja 4, 4 25 ja 100. So when you will multiply 25 and 5, you will get 125%. Now the next topic is conversion of a decimal into a percentage. all decimals can be converted into percentage. We can do it by multiplying the decimals by 100%. Let's understand this with an example. You have to convert 1.5 milligram into percentage. So to convert this 1.5 milligram into percentage, simply multiply this 1.5 by 100. So you will get 150% means 150%. Now the next topic for today's video is conversion of a ratio into a percentage. To convert a ratio into a percentage, first convert the given ratio into a fraction and then convert this fraction into a percentage by using the method conversion of fraction into a percentage. Let's understand this by an example. You have to convert this 2:5 into percentage. So firstly, convert this ratio into fraction. So how you will convert this? Simply write it 2 by 5. Now you have to multiply this by 100. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10. So you will get 20. Now simply multiply this 2 and 20. You will get 40%. Now last topic for today is conversion of a percentage into a fraction, decimal and ratio. So to convert this percentage into fraction, decimal, you have to drop this percentage sign. What you have to do? You have to simply remove this percent sign and multiply the number by 1 by 100. And the second step is to simplify into the lowest term. What you have to do? You have to simplify to the lowest term. Let's solve an example. You have to convert this 35% into fraction, decimal and ratio. As I had suggested you to drop this percent sign, that is to remove this percent sign, you will remove this percent sign 35 and simply you will multiply this 35 by 1 by 100. So you will get 35 upon 100. Now simply reduce this to the lowest term. So you will get 5 7 ja 35, 5 20 ja 100. So you had converted this percent into fraction. Now to convert this percentage into a decimal, we'll follow the same step. So what you'll do, you will simply divide this 7 by 20 and you will get 0.35. So you had just converted this 35% into a decimal number. Now you have to convert this 35% into ratio. So again you will follow the same step and over here you will write this fraction in the form of ratio, that is 7:20. So you will get 35% as in the form of ratio.